This video will show how to remove the communication cable and power cable from the interior of a WPCS-EX-II particle counter. The particle counter has a 4-hole watertight seal to feed through power cables and communication cables. You can always feed cables directly through this hole and tighten or loosen the compression nut to seal around the cables. The alternate method is to remove the 4 brass knurled nuts which hold in the watertight fitting. With the knurled nuts removed, the fitting comes completely out and exposes a large hole here where various connectors can be fed through, such as the Modbus communication cable connector if you are using a Modbus board. No need to remove all the 5 screws individually. This cable will feed directly through this fitting here. Plenty of room. Likewise, the power cable and the which, if you're using a Modbus board, the power cable to the Modbus board would also be disconnected, and you'd have something looking like this. And that whole piece can feed right through the opening. In the event that you have that communication cables are being directly connected to the I/O board, if the Modbus board isn't being used, your communication cables would probably be connecting right here at the inlet and outlet of the communication cables. In that case, the I/O board can be removed by loosening the hold down screws. And if cables were connected here, this can also be fed through the hole at the bottom. So this hole here allows all the communication cables to be fed through the hole without the need to be disconnecting all the individual connection points. So I hope this helps. And to reconnect, of course, you just reverse the procedure. You'd remove this unit, bring in your new unit that you're swapping out, or when this unit comes back for service. One caveat here is if a unit is going to be removed from service for some time and you have a series of units daisy chained together, then we can send you, in that case you'll have a communication cable coming in, another communication cable coming out, and to keep that link continuous, we can send you an adapter plug that can plug in here, and it will basically make the connection between the 2 points to keep your communication cable continuous throughout the your daisy chain system if you have multiple particle counters hooked up. You could also remove these and wire tie them together, but we'd be happy to send you a connector if that was needed. So that ends the video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you.